Hello friends, welcome to It's Ram Cave. We are here to present a very delicious quick pickle or a pachadi which is made from English cucumber. So this is Dosa Avakaya pachadi. My mother-in-law is going to explain you how it is made. Trust me, you must try this recipe if you are a spicy lover. So all that you need to do is peel and cut the English cucumber, the vegetable, into pieces. It has to be medium sized, and you need oil, chili powder, mustard seeds, salt, fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, asafoetida, and few garlic pods. So let's see. All that you need is mustard seeds has to be ground into fine powder. So do not dry roast it. 4 tablespoons of mustard seeds and 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds makes a fine powder in the blender. Now take the dosakaya or the English cucumber, add salt to it and give a quick mix. And also add the asafoetida powder that we've taken. Do not add the cube asafoetida. Take the powder as this has to get dissolved. And add the turmeric powder. This is maybe 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder we've added. And full huge amount of chili powder we need because it's a pickle. So we are adding almost 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili powder. It again depends upon the total quantity of the vegetable you've taken. So please add based on your taste buds. And the mixture of mustard seeds and fenugreek powder goes into this pickle, and that is going to create the beautiful magic for this pickle. This mustard seeds are called as ava in Telugu. So avakaya is basically any pickle made with mustard seeds powder. Okay, so when you grind it, you get a good flavor and everything is raw, nothing is cooked. All that you need is you have to mix it properly. Each and every piece has to be coated properly with the salt, chili powder and the ava powder. That is the mustard and fenugreek powder. So it has got a proper mixture to it. Once you mix it properly, only then you need to add oil. Do not add oil and mix it. First mix it properly. Let every piece be finely coated. Now add oil. Here we've taken peanut oil. So this gives a very good flavor also. This is an instant pickle. Trust me, you will definitely love this taste. And after a few hours, the pieces also get little softened and it absorbs the masalas. That is the spice and salt. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching our video. Please share your comments, like, share and subscribe. Here my mother-in-law is going to tell you few things after adding garlic to it. After adding garlic, just give a mix. Here she says.
Ready. Huh? Ready.
Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.